Hi, I'm Bill Feinberg, president and owner of Valley Kitchen and Bath here in Fort Lauderdale. Today we're in our showroom in the Oakland Park Culinary and Arts District with our partners from the Cosentino family. Today I want to talk to you specifically about Decked-In. Decked-In is made for both indoors and outdoors. It is the most resilient, the hardest, and the most fade-resistant material on the market. As you see on the walls here, that are clad with more than 8 slabs that are book matched to match, flow seamlessly throughout the backsplash as well as the countertop with the waterfall edge. And now we're here in one of our outdoor displays featuring the Decked-In countertop. It is the most resilient product out there. It is fade-resistant, heat-resistant. You can even put a hot pot directly on here. Also, it will not scratch. Come visit our showroom here in Fort Lauderdale in the Culinary and Arts District. You'll be glad you did.